Smart technologies have given us advancements in manufacturing that were only a dream a few years back. But with employees and personnel still playing a huge role, communication between systems and people need to work perfectly. Otherwise, lack of productivity, low quality, long training time, and wasted resources. That's why Next Plus is taking Industry 4.0 and bringing it home. Human operations management and execution is what Next Plus is all about. Providing the tools to make complex operations as simple as possible to take every industry to the next level. Next Plus creates the perfect connection between personnel and industrial systems, what we like to call the HIoT, Human Internet of Things. With a no-code performance support platform for human augmentation, Next Plus distills all manufacturing and maintenance knowledge and operations to just one button, Next. Employees get the support they need every step of the way during manufacturing, test, diagnosis, and fault-fixing processes. At the same time, Next Plus collects the data you need to adjust every process using actionable insights about productivity, quality, personnel, and much more. The cycle of performance support, data collection, and actionable insights leads to continuous process improvement and makes Next Plus the only smart manufacturing platform you need. No matter the industry, from medical, automotive, aerospace and defense, food, energy, and more, Next Plus integrates seamlessly and successfully. Experiencing smart manufacturing is more than the sum of its parts. It's about connection. It's about the plus. Book a demo today and get ready for the Next Plus revolution. Next Plus. Simply making your factory smarter.